Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. So for this episode, I was thinking that I want to do something for the summer. So my patio could use a little bit of love. So I thought maybe we could make a cute little wreath, and I got all the supplies from the Dollar Tree, so shouldn't be too expensive. Might be a little time consuming, but I hope it'll be worth it. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's do this. Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need one of these metal wreath frames. And then you wanna get some flowers, just fake flowers. And I got 2 of those, and I already took the flower part off because I'm just gonna pop it right in here and glue it down. I hope that I have enough. I mean, if I don't, I can go find some more, I'm sure. So then you're gonna take your glue gun and let's see, where is it gonna? Okay, so probably around this edge. Hold on, I gotta get another thingy. I'm just gonna be kind of generous because I don't really know where it's gonna go, where it's gonna land on the wires. Okay, so here's how it looks so far. Okay. And I can't hold this up any higher and show you because my cord isn't long enough. You know what? Hold on. Success. Okay. So now I can show you better. But I keep having to use a lot of glue. But that's all right. Shit. Okay. So here's where we are now. And I left this blank spot, okay, because I want to attach one of these butterflies, right? I got it from the General Dollar for $1. And you see on the back, it's just attached by this piece here. So what you want to do is you want to get that off of there, right? So you can, try to bend it and get it off there. I couldn't do it. So I ended up getting a pair of pliers, okay? And you just want to, I'm just trying to remember how I did it, but I think I just bent this down. Oops. Bent this part down, as good as I could. Then I took the pliers and I tried to squish it down even more. Oh, but look, see, it's already starting to come off. Here, did you hear it? Did you hear it? It's coming. And there it goes. Okay, so not difficult, just might take a little work. All right, so anyways, here's this one, and then I already have this one ready too, okay? So I want to attach it, you know, like this. So we're just gonna use the glue gun. Sorry, I just had a call. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna use the glue gun. Okay, so it's on there, but I don't, uh-oh, I just lost one. But I don't feel like it's on there good enough. Oh, see, because it's not. Okay, so I ended up having to use a lot of glue, but let me tell you, that baby is on there. All right, now, while I was doing this, one of these guys fell out, but you know what? That's just fine, because that's where we're gonna put this one. Okay, so that's it so far. Now, we just want to finish up here with another couple of flowers. Okay guys, for your animal fact today, we're going to talk about the narwhal. All right, so they are mostly found in the Canadian Arctic, all right, and they can dive, are you ready? They can dive up to 5,000 feet. That is freaking nuts. All right. Also, so they have that pokey thing that comes out of the top of their head, right? So only the males get that. It can grow up to 10 feet long. It flexes a foot in each direction, and they use it to find out what the different water pressure is and what the water temperature is. And they also use it for communication. I'm not sure what kind of communication, but that's what they said. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Okay, I was gonna call it, but then I was like, you know what, let's do something else. So I have, can you see these? They're like little flatback gems, okay? So I'm gonna glue those right in the middle of where the pollen is for the flower. You know what I mean? Just to make it pop a little bit. Let me do a couple more and I'll show you. Okay, do you see? So I'm just gonna keep going. There's only like 11 or 12. Okay. So now I'm happy with that. Okay. You could add leaves and stuff if you wanted to, but I like it like this. So thank you for coming to the show. I appreciate you, and I hope you guys have a great day and be safe out there.